I sharp something. I don't get a lot of comments then, a lot of inbox. Then last screenshot will come for me about I think that yesterday, I said that for my local lover, each other will discuss the thing. So I decided, I just tell you, say no, Shelly. Today for live show, I want to clear this thing up. I hate people they be in doubt, you understand? And once I don't clear it up, I don't clear it up. Any man can't talk again, you can't talk that one on your own. When I say no, leave her, leave her. I say no, Shelly. My spirit tell me, say, may I clear the air. And then I want to clear the air. A lot of them don't comment under my videos for YouTube or under my videos for Facebook. I already send me private message say why you hate Lady Billionaire? Why you don't hate Lady Billionaire? Why? Because you think she's passing you. When I wait, I never waste time for read some of that screenshots because we now want a day for you. Thank you, Sarah Smart. Welcome, my CEO, boss baby. Okay, mommy there in the building. I held you, my mommy president. I want to clear the air. When I want to open a mob ask and say why I hate Lady Billionaire. Who say when I know Lady Billionaire? Not be true me. Let's be very, very honest. Who say when I know Lady Billionaire? Not be true me. I don't try. See, my move Brenda, their site where they be Facebook people them. I go for we bloggers and vloggers them who are there on this Google part. How many big YouTubers or big bloggers, for example, Esther Dillis, the share will not be the yes, I be big YouTuber. Not be say I don't make that one. I mean for God will tell you, see I want to really chop money for them. So I dey watch una videos them. I dey always check when I watch una videos. I dey always check for comment when I say grant the day for under day. I bring myself so low. I get on one thing when I think where I no be get for small picking, no be now for the whole shall get na envy. I need the jealousy person. I need the envy person. I black and girl I the cross back I hold a 10 mil for my handbag no. I went kaba and steppers. Me know they cannot get I got no video. Now maybe the first YouTuber for Camego for start talk say you people should join YouTube. When I know what advertisement I join. Most of video one man life no easy. If your man is life, people are stopping, people are out there working for hours, 200 euro. When you see she not only for your computer, problem religious kitchen. You don't believe that cost you today, Nadima will cost you today. I always stood by Lady Billionaire. And the person will be very, very straightforward. I need to lie, I need to fear you because you will not do me nothing. Even though you see from your face, so you know, will do me nothing. Going to a bring, I will carry and give you back. I've always been there. Even that way they be laughing. You don't know how to vlog. You cannot speak. I said, Lady Billionaire, put energy in your voice. Talk, let's say, human being. I guided her first steps on YouTube. Me, who I never even start chop money for YouTube. I guide her first. When I say no, we don't even start chop money. I'm saying they wait for the money. No, they don't swear. Because I don't chop the money at 22nd. The cancel. I need even reason. So now they go check and the next morning you tell them pass on. Because I think that money be seen. It be sweet me. I guided you people. I was so honest. I said, talk now. So when you kind of video they come on, you say, it go hard for you for explain them. Take now the other part. Take now. So who do it for me? I did it. But a lot of una come online with two hearts. When they see Omami them, when they see Papa they Omami them online, no. When they come for social media with their two hearts them, when they don't get them, they get what they carry. I just look at, I move my, I'm somebody I didn't even focus on what you do, and because your thing not concern me, except when you pick me that one say I call. Thing where it make me, I get a vex with for una daily life. Any man when you see say you want move chop for your mop, broke your finger, bust it two items, because that person will kill you. My this I say that they say fever catch me. Now when I wake up, the first time I sign because before people they can't contact me, so Tito when I be confused, I'm going after the show. Paying for advert and being a brand ambassador, those are two different things. People they contact me, advertise my hair, advertise my shoe, advertise my blouse. And that one that normally people they don't pay more than no 200 euro, 250, 300 euro. When CEO Sarah Smart, it's okay, no. 1, 2, 10 they want advertise here, people they buy them. You should get good face for market. If one sign me deal, I start beating brand ambassador here. They see brand ambassador. Nobody go beg for deals. Lady Billionaire, contact Sarah Smart. I have all your chats. You contact Sarah Smart, tell Sarah Smart, may it make you to brand ambassador like me. May it send you hair for Dubai, may it sell them. Is that not witchcraft? Also, you know Sarah Smart. Not be now on my channel. Because I introduced Sarah Smart like my own CEO. You go contact me. I was very, very disappointed. Say you this speaking, you should say you follow me for Nash. I know your mate. For any level, I know be a mate. I tell you this thing. Oh, I open my eye and tell you. Make you not repeat itself again. You don't even repeat itself again.
Hello my beautiful people. This is your girl Diamonique in the palace. I welcome you all to the best, sweetest gist ever you can ever ask for. Please, I'm sorry for not wishing you guys a happy Valentine's yesterday, and today I'm wishing you guys a season full of love, a season full of laughter. I wish you the best. Today, wait till we get on for this house. Lady B Billionaire and Ndiveshela, that's travel grand, where they get some small saga wey one be like say maybe na saga or na saga or na say na enmity or na enmity, because me I no understanding their own kind of vexation. On Wednesday, I be watch Grandive show where people they don't ask you plenty. I say, wait till Lady B really do you? Because myself I don't notice and say Grandive too. It over to peel Lady B, talk for Lady B anyhow, kosh Lady B. So myself I reason am for my heart say there must be a problem somewhere. This Lady B where they always talk about they always share Lady B video them and so on. What is happening? Grandive talk say, you know say Grandive na brand ambassador of Sarah Smart hair. Sarah Smart the deal for hairs, human hairs. So at one time where Grandive be enter that he be signed that brand ambassador, Lady B take that content, he blog about them. So I don't know where to pass. In Lady B and Sarah Smart they get some one or two discussions there. So Grandive talk and we show that Wednesday last week say Lady B he go for Sarah Smart, go tell Sarah Smart say make he a brand ambassador too for Sarah Smart hair. So Sarah Smart he take and tell Grandive. As I talk so na biki follow me oh. Sarah Smart can tell Grandive say Lady B don't can talk for you say he want to make his own brand ambassador. So as a blogger I listen to Grandive that day and I no be happy. I go for Lady B. I ask Lady B say, na so Grandive don't talk, na so Grandive don't talk. Wait you get time to talk about this particular talk, Lady B. Lady B say he birthday the cam, so he no fit talk nothing for now. Me, I go ask Lady B one or two questions. Lady B, you don't listen for the reason why Grandive the vex. Why you be say you no go make a video for disclaim everything where Grandive talk should in case Grandive talk na lie? Because from the way Grandive talk that they say get screenshot their messages, why you no go disclaim the video where Grandive talk? Because Lady B send me some my own screenshot them how and they respond, they discuss and so on. I no fit really talk say ma just take that screenshot then can talk say yes Lady B no discuss until with Sarah Smart, they for don't call, they for don't send voice message. I want to be listening to the voice message. I dey talk na my truth. So I the one ask Lady B, I don't know why you no go make a video for do a disclaim to that part where Grandive talk say you betray. Say no be ever no say you betray. 2. How manage should do contact Sarah Smart? You tell me say you contact Sarah Smart because say you want some this in them. Sometimes then be where we get our content for this YouTube without the contact of the real person where you get the content. I believe so now understand me for the talk. We get our content then for YouTube without the person where the contact get the real content. You forget your content, you for go for you for just write as every beautiful palace. You get your content, you can't blogger as a normal blogger. You went ahead to write Sarah Smart. So I received a video from you, Lady B Billionaire, for disclaim or for claim or for disprove or for approve Grandive he talk. Because if in case Grandive, the two Grandive talk na true, I no go ever like him. And should in case Grandive no talk true, or the two talk, he only think and I think him, that's why I no like him. And should in case Sarah Smart, he tell Grandive something else and Grandive don't talk another thing, he no go fine. So we would wait a video from you. I don't wait a video for you for like 4 days now. You never put up a video. And when I write you, tell me say your video go come up now after your birthday. Okay. So they still expect a video from you. As for Kobos, he married with Grandive. You see social media, I don't talk the talk. Una no put una mouth for day. Una know the year. Kobolistic fan the day for under. Let them talk, blah 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 and so on. Una no put una mouth for the thing. Una know the year. They need the caution na una, the caution na Kobos. They need the caution na the fans of Kobolistic. They the caution na Kobos. They need the insult na una fans them. They the insult na Kobos. So instead, by doing that, when they instead put Kobos for another problem. I did look this palaver for marriage and invitation. Some kind of eye. With me, I know want go deeply. I know want talk about them, but I know fit imagine and say Kobos no invite Grandive for a occasion. Because from waiting me I know, I blog about this thing some months ago. Say Kobos in and Grandive, they don't come back, they don't make peace, and Kobos don't apologize for Grandive. Kobos, I want to ask these questions then. Did you really forgive Grandive? Grandive, did you really forgive Kobos? Because they like say you became look Kobos with someone can eye. Don't be not saying that any man became looky friend. So you two became look Kobos too with someone kind eye too. Did you really forgive Kobos? And Kobos, did you really forgive Grandive? Well, I don't know, stop with the play who was save them inside this social media. I don't know. Because it they like say when I not really reconcile. The reconciliation was just blah 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 reconciliation. Was just air blowing of air reconciliation and so on. So I don't really understand the reason why Kobos go be invite his sister. Maybe his sister fit get a representative for that wedding. Or maybe na say Kobos be afraid of the grinders. Them cannot say grinders they fair get mop. Grinders will go there, they go coach people or. But I'm not sure. Grinders are very intelligent, smart people then. And they hear from Grandive. Grandive go talk, say, go for this, do you quiet, do your thing, can you back? We no still know the reason why we Kobos no invite his sister that too. Come on, you don't hear Grandive say they come on one family. Me as a fan of Kobolistica Kobos, I don't really know reason why we Kobos not invite his sister. So I know if it puts my mop for them talk. Maybe Kobos see one. Now you have come for social media and I can tell the people why we invite his sister. The Veshela. Once more, Kobolistica Kobos, we appreciate you are married and we congratulate you. Peace, my people. Let love lead. And please, up till now, you are watching this video, you are listening to this voice, no, you're not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification, and don't forget to always come back for more videos because I bring you the best vibe. Still on Kobos matter, Kobos come out yesterday and he talked the reason why he be dressed in lace attire for his civil wedding. All we will know say Kobos na a very Nyanga person. He overlike Nyanga fashion, clothes, all this kind of thing them. So he really take his time. He explain for we the fans and say where as he be there for China before he want come Cameroon, he be already packing them. He send them for a husband for Nigeria. Then a few things then the baby way he be get for come for Cameroon with them and so on. Then he tell her, hey, tell us we not go to heaven. Tell us them we not go heaven. He tell her fairly. So I be talk for my last video say either tell her go not fail or something must be wrong somewhere because the Kobos I know cannot dress anyhow on her wedding day. Even her after wedding dress was not fixed. So when we leave that part for Kobosi, he close, no get no nothing will do. He married. He don't married. Ona say the married pass fine. That close so no mean no nothing. If you see where fine clothes we are married day after 1 year married chakara. Close no be na they married na wait till you go see and with the inside married after some years. Yes. More no what dwell on close. So my people, peace, my people.